What's up, guys? It's Card Hunter here, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. Okay? To our precious room, and we will relax and guys, I think I'm going to lure my friends now, and hopefully we can catch one. But wait a minute, let's just make fence for now. I have wood, so I have too many woods to make house. Oh my god, what am I thinking? I can make this right. So that means, wait a minute, guys. That's better. That means three chests, three chests, four chests, five chests, six chests, seven chests, eight chests, nine chests. Okay. Hope this will work. And I forgot about that. Guys, I still have a cough and it worked. And we have a lot of chests here, so just need extra. Just extra. You don't know. Maybe in future I will need that. And and there we go. And come on, let's get out of this lovely storage room. And this up and this so no one can get in. It's a good day. And it's time. It's about time to get our wheat. Wait a minute, please. That to make sense. But that's easy. Okay, we're just going to need 8 cows for now. And I need to fix this hole. There we go. It's like magic. A little bug. But Mojang will fix that. And let me tell you about the update, guys. With 0.15.0 will come to us. Nice. And I wish 15.0 will come to us lately. I mean early. That what I mean. But I don't have space right now, and oh my god, I'm I have 12 friends, so that's not bad. Okay, other we can just put our our what is it called? Wait a minute, guys, I know what it's called. Okay, our barn, a small barn for cows here, but we will figure a way. This is not awesome, but I can do that. So, a journey to find a cow. Come on, let's do this. This skeleton is been here. You need to go now. Come on. And guys, 0.15. I think 0.15 will add lead, so we can grab our golems when we are exploring. And I still don't have names for my dog, and I'm still waiting for you guys to comment what name should I pick for my dog. Okay, there's no sign of any cows here. Is that one? I know I see a cow there. Is that a cow? Or it's just tricking me? I don't know, but hopefully it's a cow. No, there's no cow here. I know there's a cow here, and see? I thought I lost my dog, but it's fine. We can go to the spruce because I don't want to lose one of my dog again, because one of my dog, the one with the pink dye, I mean pink collar, and I don't know if she dies or he's bored, so he left and never come back again. So guys, I will be back once I find 2 cows. Okay guys, there's no cow for me here. So, and I see a beautiful thing that splashed into my eyes because I can't do anything. But I want to do anything. So we're going to the nether. This dog, hopefully he can. No, no way, no way, a witch. No, don't kill me here. No, why am I using the pickaxe? No, please witch, down. Yes, yes, he died. She died. Why there are witch here? Regen, quick. Oh my god, that was scary. And we need to explore the nether a little bit. So I think we need to leave a trail. So guys, hopefully next episode we're going to find a fortress so we can get blaze rod and we can brew. If I can just, okay, this is not awesome, so let me just leave a trail here. There we go. Let's get up. Okay. Oh my god. Hopefully we can find. See? Bedrock in the nether. There's bedrock in the nether. I know it. I know there's a bedrock in the nether, but we need to get down. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't have a food with me. Oh god. Here's a tip. If you're going to the nether, this is a tip. Don't lose food or you may die of hunger. Okay. I'm heading to the other side of portal here because it's look like we can get to the. This is closed out, I believe. Okay, so we can just mine useful stuffs in the nether, like this nether quartz and glowstone to brew or to decorate your home. Nether quartz can be it's like decorated I mean decoration, not decorated. And our first pigman, that is awesome. We will never kill him. And see, I should bring. What am I using? Why am I using this diamond pickaxe? I don't bring my stone pickaxe. My iron pickaxe just broke this episode or last episode, I can't remember. But okay, we can build like we can build a lab here. In this place we can build our lab, and this is awesome. I think next episode we will build a stone lab here. I mean, we will mine a stone, 2 mini stone, and we will make a stone lab here, not slabs, lab. Because I know all of you guys know that stone, cobblestone is the only block that gas cannot break. So I don't think gas can get here, but if they can. And see, we have 24 levels now. And this, guys, I will leave it just here, and I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.